In this video, I'll show you how to create a new YouTube channel with all the new and improved features of the YouTube system in 2023. So let's get started right away. First, go to the YouTube interface. Click on your profile picture in the upper right corner and then click Sign In. A page will open where you can sign in with your Google account if you already have one, or you can create a new account. You can select your new account either as a personal account, for a child, or for a business. Creating it as a business is the best option because it can bring you more benefits later on, especially if you need to give others access to your channel. Then enter your first and last name, or the name of your business, in this case your YouTube channel if you want. Choose a new email address, and I suggest you choose a professional-looking email address. Avoid using one that's too far from the purpose of your account and contains too many irrelevant characters and numbers. Then, enter your password and make sure it's a secure one using a combination of alphanumeric characters and symbols. Then click Next, and you'll need to verify your new account with your phone number. Just enter your number and enter the verification code that Google will send you. After that, you can enter your birthday and gender if you want, as well as a recovery email address. Then click Next and accept all of Google's terms and privacy notices. And then you'll have successfully set up your new Google account. Now that you have a new Google account, go back to YouTube and sign in with that account. Click on your profile picture here, and then click on Create a Channel. Enter the name of your channel, making sure you researched it thoroughly so you don't use an already established brand name, or you could run into copyright issues. After that, choose your own channel handle, a new feature of YouTube. It's a unique username that you can choose for your account. The next step is to customize your channel. After you create a new channel, you'll see a blue button here that says Customize Channel. Clicking on it will take you to your YouTube studio. In the Customize tab, you can do many things, such as add a profile picture and channel art from the Branding tab. Make sure you upload high-resolution images so they look nice. Profile images are usually at least 1080 by 1080 pixels, while channel art is 2560 by 1440 pixels. After this step, you can see that you've already established your own branding in your channel, but there's still more to do. Before you can access all of YouTube's customization features, you need to do a few things first. To do this, go back to your YouTube studio, click Settings, then Channel, and look for Feature Eligibility. From here, you can see the other features of your channel that are disabled until you meet one of the requirements, such as verification of your phone number, a video verification, a valid ID verification, or you simply wait for them to be unlocked by growing your channel for over 2 months without any violations. Next, you can start to further optimize your channel. On the settings page we were already on, simply go to the Basic Information tab under the Channel tab. There, you can set the basic information about your channel, such as your country and channel keywords. For this, you can use a tool called vidIQ that will help you find the best keywords for your channel. I've included a link in the description so you can try it out for free. Then go to the Advanced settings and select some parameters for your channel, such as whether or not it's made for kids. If you're still in your YouTube studio, go to the Customization tab on the left of the screen and click on Basic Information. Here, you can write a description for your channel, in which you should include all the relevant tags to give your channel more visibility. Ensure, though, that you don't just randomly copy and paste these tags. Transform and use those tags within sentences into a workable and understandable description. You also have the option to add contact information so people can contact your channel. I recommend you set up another contact email address in addition to the email address you used to create your channel, so they can't be confused and your account is more secure. It's also a good idea to add links to your other social media pages on your channel so that not only your YouTube channel grows, but also your other accounts, like your Facebook page, Instagram account, and Twitter. I also recommend that you make a custom subscribe link so that everyone who clicks it subscribes to your channel. To do this, copy your channel link and paste this phrase right at the end of the URL. Finally, you can set your video upload settings as default. You can customize these default settings by going to Upload Defaults in your channel settings. You can select the default options for your videos, such as the country of origin, license, category, language, and comment settings. In the Customize tab, I recommend you create a section called Most Popular Uploads in your channel to sort your videos by those with the most views. Click Add Section and then Most Popular Uploads, and you're done. To access some of the advanced features of a YouTube channel, you will need to create a branded channel. The channel you currently have is a personal channel. To create a branded channel, all you have to do is click on your profile picture and then go to Settings. There, under your own YouTube channel, you'll see the option Create a New Channel. Just click on it and create a channel identical to the one you have now. Then, go back to YouTube, switch to the new identical account you just created, and go to your channel settings. Then to View Advanced Settings, then click on Move Channel to a Brand Account, and then click Replace. Because this will delete your original channel after you move all your content and settings to the new brand account. Congratulations! You've just created a branded channel under your original YouTube account. You might be wondering what this actually means. Branded channels have many advanced settings and features that you can use, especially if you're doing business on YouTube. One of the most important features is that you can add other users to help you manage and control your channel, such as the team of people who will help you build your YouTube channel. After all these steps, you're now ready to upload your very first video. But if you want to get the most out of making money on YouTube by posting videos without showing your face, you need to watch this video that shows you how to make money on YouTube without making videos yourself and without showing your face. Hope to see you there.